welcome back to another vlog. Hope everybody having a good day, good night, good morning, I don't know, whatever it is for you guys whenever you guys are watching this. Today, I'm about to put the RPF1s. I got hella shit back here going. But yeah, today we're about to try to put on the RPF1s. I gotta put a tire on and all that. And I haven't showed you guys the car yet, so just wanna do a little quick walk around. How it looks now. It's not in the best condition, but it's definitely cleaner than my last one. I'm just excited to see how it's gonna look with the RPF1s. Yeah, I'll start it back up whenever I mount the tires and put them on the car. Alright, so I'm here at Conard's. Got all the tires and mounted. Actually mounted them at work, but they ain't let me use the lift, so I had to come over here and see how much they charge just to put them on. Freaking 15 bucks, bro. I just don't feel like doing it. I'm like, it's Monday, I'm tired, I only slept like 5 hours. I'm not gonna mount no damn tires right now, especially not lift up the car and do all that shit. Like, no, somebody else could do it in the lift. So I'll get back to it whenever I mount them. I mean, put them on the car. And I got a feeling they look really good, but I got a feeling I'm also gonna rub. So let's see what happens. Bro, I've been here for like maybe 2 hours almost. And this guy over there with the white Civic, like, he's been working on that thing for like, oh my god, I don't even know how long. Just changing one damn tire. Not even change the tire, just putting a freaking new tire on. Like taking off the freaking, what's that shit called, bro? The donut, and putting the new one on. Like, bro, it does not take that long, man. I'm just trying to freaking eat and have my car looking nice. Look at this guy. I'm just talking shit at this point, man. But nah, all jokes aside though, yeah, that guy's been taking forever to finish that car. Just taking off a donut and putting the rim on with the tire. Doesn't take that long. Anyways, I'm excited for this. Alright, so let's open the lift. I'll show you guys after. It's gonna look super good though. I mean, these tires, they're 205s. These are 245s. And then the fronts are gonna be 255s. Looks better already. Way better. It's still on the lift, so it looks like I got a big ass wheel gap, but once it goes all the way down, I'll show you guys. Alright, so unfortunately I couldn't get the backs on. It was rubbing on the control arm down here. If you guys can see it, you guys can't really see it. There we go. It was rubbing on the control arm hella bad. So I gotta get some spacers or something, because these rims are hella wide. Like, they're 17 by the, what the fuck was I saying? 17 by 9.5 plus 45, so they rub like hella bad on it, but it's alright. I'll get some spacers or something and then call it a day. Alright, so I got the spacers for it. I hope this is enough. It should be enough, but now I'm gonna try to put them on again, and then I'll pick it right back up whenever I put them on. So I put the spacers on and it's still rubbing on the control arm, so I'm about to just run the front ones for now. How'd it look though?
It look good though, bro.
That looks super good. But next time, man, I'm gonna have to get some control arms and, you know, camber and all that stuff.
Camber that bitch, you know.
But it looks good as hell, man. Alright, so the next mods are gonna be, I'm gonna just leave it like this for now. Kinda looks badass. Looks like I'm ready to drag this. But yeah, I'm gonna get the control arms, camber, plates. I don't know if it already has some. I'm gonna talk to the guy that I bought it from. But I'm gonna just get it set up. The fuck?